Eggs are widely celebrated for their nutritional benefits, containing high-quality protein, vitamins, and essential nutrients that support overall health. But what many people overlook is how easily eggs can become harmful if mishandled. In fact, some common cooking and storage mistakes can even turn eggs from nutritious to risky without you noticing. Today, we'll discuss 5 critical mistakes that many people make with eggs and how you can easily avoid them to maintain your health and nutrition. Number 1. Cooking eggs too long or at excessively high temperatures. Cooking eggs too aggressively, whether frying until they're crispy and browned, boiling them until yolks turn a gray-greenish color, or scrambling at high temperatures, can cause oxidative changes. This oxidation produces harmful substances like oxidized cholesterol, which may increase inflammation and contribute to heart disease. Have you ever noticed a strong smell after boiling eggs for an extended period? That's because the sulfur in egg whites combines with the iron in the yolk, creating iron sulfide. Although this doesn't directly poison the egg, it indicates significant nutrient loss. Cooking eggs gently, using methods like soft scrambling, poaching, or lightly boiling, prevents oxidation and nutrient loss, making eggs healthier. Using moderate heat rather than high temperatures is a simple yet impactful change to preserve the valuable vitamins like folate, vitamin B12, lutein, and zeaxanthin, nutrients vital for brain and eye health. Number 2. Eating raw or partially cooked eggs. Consuming raw eggs, such as in homemade mayonnaise, smoothies, or cookie dough, is often viewed as nutritious, but it carries substantial health risks, notably salmonella infection. Salmonella poisoning can cause severe symptoms like diarrhea, stomach cramps, dehydration, and fever, especially dangerous for older adults with weakened immune systems. Additionally, raw eggs contain avidin, a compound that binds to biotin, a crucial vitamin necessary for metabolism, nerve function, and healthy skin. Eating eggs raw prevents proper absorption of biotin, potentially causing deficiencies over time. Cooking eggs thoroughly neutralizes these risks, ensuring the egg remains beneficial. Scrambled eggs, fully boiled eggs, and poached eggs cooked until firm are safer options. Even eggs labeled organic or free-range can harbor bacteria, so thorough cooking is always the safest practice. Number 3. Storing cooked eggs improperly. Many people underestimate the importance of storing eggs correctly after cooking. Leaving cooked eggs at room temperature for prolonged periods allows harmful bacteria like Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria to multiply quickly. Bacteria thrive in temperatures between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, potentially causing illness, particularly for seniors. For safety, always refrigerate cooked eggs within 2 hours in airtight containers. Scrambled or fried eggs should be consumed within 3 to 4 days, while boiled eggs remain safe for about a week. Proper reheating also matters. Microwaving eggs excessively can cause rubbery texture and nutrient loss. Instead, warm them gently on low heat with added moisture for the best taste and safety. Number 4. Using cracked, old, or improperly stored eggs. Even seemingly fresh eggs can pose a danger if they have cracks, odors, or have surpassed their expiration date. Cracks allow bacteria like Salmonella to penetrate the shell, and spoiled eggs can cause food poisoning symptoms, including stomach cramps, nausea, and diarrhea. Don't solely rely on the expiration date. Conduct a simple freshness test instead. Place eggs in cold water. Fresh eggs will sink. Slightly older eggs stand upright, use soon, and spoiled eggs float. Always discard cracked eggs immediately, and store eggs in the refrigerator's main compartment, not in the door, to minimize temperature fluctuations. Number 5. Choosing unhealthy cooking oils. The oils used to cook eggs significantly affect their nutritional quality. Using highly processed oils such as soybean, corn, canola, or margarine can turn eggs from nutritious to harmful. These oils break down under high heat, creating unhealthy compounds linked to inflammation, heart disease, and cognitive decline. Instead, choose healthier fats like butter, ghee, olive oil, or avocado oil. These fats have higher smoke points, remain stable at moderate heat, and provide essential nutrients beneficial to overall health. Number 6. Reheating cooked eggs incorrectly. Improper reheating of eggs can lead to nutrient loss and undesirable textures. Microwaving eggs excessively can cause them to become rubbery and lose nutritional value. Instead, gently reheat eggs on a stovetop at low heat, adding moisture like water or broth. If microwaving is necessary, use short intervals and stir frequently to preserve texture and nutrients. Eggs are one of the healthiest foods available, but their benefits depend significantly on how they're handled, cooked, and stored. By avoiding overcooking, fully cooking your eggs, storing them safely, checking freshness, and using healthy cooking oils, you can transform eggs into a health-promoting staple rather than a hidden health hazard. Small changes can have significant impacts, ensuring your eggs stay delicious, nutritious, and safe to eat.